Hey YouTube, what's up? How are we doing here? The very end of the Memorial Day weekend here, 2015, so happy Memorial Day for whatever's left of it. And so far we got this project going on. We decided to go ahead and see if we can tackle this for this evening here. We got an air conditioner this past weekend, and it's a pretty good size one, 24,000 BTU, and it's got heat and air. So for down here, you know, it's not quite as cold up north and everything, but it does get cold sometimes. So the fact that this thing has both, it'll be actually a really good asset. For right now, what we got going on, we got taking measurements here a little bit ago, and what we're going to do is frame this out just like a window area, and we're going to make some cuts here for these 2x4s and frame this really well, and basically get the air conditioner into this spot here. So. Alright, well, here we got a reciprocating sawzall, and we got safety glasses for wood chips or anything else, and I'm about to make a cut, see how this goes here.
Alright, here goes the top.
Okay, I made an adjustment on this thing, so hopefully I should be able to guide it better.
Learning process.
Learning process. Here are our mallet. Here we're going to see if we can knock these little pieces out of here. Crowbar.
Oh, the siding's nailed to it?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, real quick update here. It's getting pretty late at night here, and we're both hungry and tired at this point. Learning experience, a couple of mishaps along the way, trial and error, learning and finding out things. This is what we got so far here. Missing the sill at this point. We got everything else, for the most part. Tried some other wood that didn't quite work out, been out in the rain, and just, you know, like I said, trial and error. But we will continue this a bit later on, and hopefully we will get a nice finished product hopefully here, and what we got so far.
Next weekend.
Next weekend projects, so hope you enjoy watching. Hey everybody, what's up here? Okay, we got a quick update. Got this set up here where we had to actually take some of this out to modify this to get the measurements correct. And we're about to go ahead and cut the square in the wall here for the casing for the air conditioner unit. So I got 4 holes drilled on the edges, and we'll see how this turns out.
Okay then. You did a good job.
Loudness.
Very loud.
Okay, is one side done? Last cut here, everybody.